Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Grand Crash Advanced app running slow, taking forever to open, or feeling delayed when you tap around? Here are the fastest phone fixes. First, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check whether the storage bar at the top is nearly full. Since Grand slows down noticeably when storage is full. Offload a few unused apps to free room quickly. Next, close every other app in your recent app list since Grand competes with background apps for available memory. Then go to settings. After that, scroll down to display and brightness and make sure that low power mode is turned off since it throttles performance and directly causes sluggish response times. Finally, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and volume down. Set to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. A full restart clears temporary memory buildup and is the most effective fix for persistent slowdown. So, all you gotta do is free up storage, close background apps, turn off low power mode, and restart your iPhone. Grant runs smoothly again, and that's it. Subscribe.